We are here with Charlie from Luxury Treasure Hunts and Aquavistas. Tell us a little bit about your other project that you have going on, the secret project.
So we started with treasure hunts, the one we're talking about, and these have been growing bigger and bigger. Initially, we started with a little one with a boat that's over there, Nero, on Kefalonia, Ithaca, Zakynthos, and that was a big hit. So the following year we came bigger and stronger. That was last season. We expanded into murder mystery, parties, magicians. We've been asked to do things for kids, so we now have all sorts of children's performers, specialists, classier things like opera singers, jazz singers, DJs of course, and all the usual things that bring the fun, that little sparkle to your charter or your bus trip. And the big thing that we do is we try to be a relief for the crew. So everything we do is non-contact. We don't stay on the boat, none of our gear stays on. We're just here to pull focus, entertain the guests and bring them happier than we found them. The most rewarding stuff is when you happen to be able to do something incredible. So we've had a guest who has a sister who's had, learning difficulties, and we could tell she was struggling to fit into the game, and we brought her in. And what was amazing is she started enjoying herself, relaxing a little bit, and there was a gambling element. And so at the end, we retained the best gambler prize. And we, amongst the team, started doing a little cheeky thing, because it wasn't for real money, it was just for the prize. We started dealing from the bottom so that she would win. And then she started glowing, and her family started seeing her in a whole new light. And the thing that was going well, it was a good night, I think became an incredible night for all of them, with the night when the auntie just killed it at poker, unbeknownst to anyone that we were helping her out, but it was just a magic moment for everybody. Really.
What is your promise to your clients?
We will wow you.
All right, guys, you've heard it. This is Charlie from Luxury Treasure Hunts and Aquavistas. Go check his website out and you won't be disappointed. Your guests will love you.